what?
I saw something. Go under this leaf.
So, Bo, I got a question for you.
Okay. Answer. Daily double.
I had no idea the camera was on. That's just what happens on the regular. We're at rain today, and it's not that cold outside. I don't know if you possibly wanted to join me and see if we can find any little amphibian-like creatures.
Ah! Road herping. I say let's do it, man.
Alright, cool. We're doing it. Now, before we go herping, you guys, this is another little fun, free herping tip. You guys like how I went from like this individual videos of herping tips to just like giving them randomly to you throughout the day? You have to eat well before you go herping. Any good smart herper knows that if you're going to make croissants with eggs and cheese in them, you need to take them to go.
Snacks and snakes. Hiss, mother lickers, hiss.
It's kind of crooked.
Okay. Super crooked now. We did a horrible job at
I can't see for the lights.
which is a weird thing to say.
I know.
The lights I can't see for all this light we have. Man, there should be some frogs or something out.
You'd think so.
Because A, it's warm.
Uh-oh.
Man, I could have missed a herp already. Dang it. I'm sucking at my job as a cameraman. What is that?
Frog.
No, it's not. No, it's not a frog.
You sure?
Check. There's Jordan checking a piece of bark.
It's a bunny. That's bunny. Oh, what was that?
It's a lake.
No, on the road.
Oh.
Yeah, but whenever we go road cruising for herps, we look in the trees. You know that?
What? I can't see anything in the trees.
I hate you so much.
Why you got your windshield wipers on? Hey, remember when I said you're good at that? Okay, so he just started his vlog and the camera was completely off. He's like, okay, so crap.
Nothing. Yeah, so we came out here to this lake area, this little park, and where the water's really low, it's promising there could be some stuff. What I'm interested in is over here, under that bridge, and around that area. Problems?
Yeah. Wait, what is that?
What? What is what?
I saw something. Go under this leaf.
That's a spider.
Oh, that is a spider. Wow, can't see.
You just looking under everything?
I was just looking. Oh, you got her recording, okay.
Yep.
Always.
Always. There she is. Yep. About to go in here and get legitimized. Yeah, that's not the right word. That word sounds painful. Alright, well, that was a lot quicker than I thought it was going to be. I thought I had to sit there for forever and fill out a bunch of paperwork, but I literally just filled out one thing for my availability. He sent me an email, which I got to fill out as soon as I get home. It's on like my tax crap and stuff like that. And then I have orientation at 9 a.m. on Sunday. Well, the sun's out.
96.
As soon...
On how to cook chicken Alfredo.
Oh, I thought you were like... I was like, what happened in 96?
Oh, a lot of things happen in
96 views on the chicken Alfredo?
Yeah.
Sweet. Oh, you guys don't know what I'm talking about? Well, that's easy to solve. All you gotta do is click one of these videos that pops up. It's one that says chicken Alfredo, how to cook chicken Alfredo one-handed. And it'll take you to that guy's video and his new channel. And then you need to go subscribe to that and watch that video. Leave him a nice little lovely comment. He's gonna go to work. I gotta do tax stuff for Roadhouse. And of course, the sun decides to pop out as soon as I'm ending the vlog. And like I said before, one of these two videos, one's the last video I just uploaded, one is his video on his new channel. Go check that out, subscribe. If you want to subscribe to this channel and you're new, so you don't miss out on tomorrow's video, hit that one thing in the middle, the big circular LS, and yeah, just do that. You want to say bye?
Bye!